You can see we are a 6 hour loss. Okay, I can say our traders got triggered and we're back to green. Good morning, welcome to MB Option Traders. This is Shiva. Day 77 of 2.5 lakhs to 6 lakh challenge. You can see I just entered it. Before that, I took one more trade. So first, let me place my trial below the scan reason the trade got already started. Then I'll give you analysis behind the trade. Okay, you can see I just updated. Market open, continue fall, yesterday closing takes support and continue try to bullish. This is going to our first target. Once the candle close above the 200 EMI, we expected upside rally. You can see this is a new all-time high, and you can see try to bullish and consolidate between the range, and then it created all-time high. So I'm expecting market going to be bullish and test one more time as a new all-time high and took resistance and continue bearish. So that's why we took bullish trade today. So let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see I just updated trial reason. In 1 minute time frame, it taking distance from the 200 EMA and might be chance for a reversal hammer created. So that's why I updated. Once the candle close, we can expect it upside or downside. Okay, you can see too close to hit our trial SL. So as we expect our trial SL got triggered, we're gonna re-enter it. Once it give me confirmation above, then we'll re-enter. And we're gonna hold as much line. Okay, you can see. Let me show you the order books. You can see these are the order books. These are the first trade I took. Then this is the second trade. And the final PNL back to green. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, you can see I just started the trade. As the previous trade, once the market give enemy confirmation, we gonna re-enter the trade. I'm expecting market going to be bearish. That's why we entered on Sensex. Previously, I took bullish trade. Reason we expected continue bullishness upside and test all-time high. But market tried to consolidate. Might be chance for a bearish day. Then we can expect a consolidation. So okay, you can see open same yesterday resistance, take resistance and continue fall. Again try to bullish, fail. Again you can see continually creating a wick and try to fall. So once the consolidation break, we enter the trade. I'm expecting this is going to our first target. 1 second. Okay, you can see a 200 EMA break and took the resistance and try to fall. That's why we expect continue fall. Once the day low break, we can expect this is our first target. And then we expect this 400 as the second target. Then continue fall, we can expect more also. So let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see the spot started falling, but options are too close to trigger our SL. Chalo, SL got triggered. Okay, you can see these are the entry and exit position and the final PNL. Okay, let me enter. Okay, as you can see, just enter. So previously it got executed, reason it went up and triggered our SL. So we re-enter same trade once again. Once you give confirmation of the bearish engulfing and it continue fall. So that's why we enter on this particular trade. If the candle close above, we're gonna exit this particular trade and we're looking for a next bearish trade. Okay, as said, he tried to bullish and creating a hammer. So let me wait. Okay, you can see if the candle break previous candle low, we gonna exit this particular trade. Okay, I try to break the previous candle low. So we're gonna exit. High chance might be upside move also. So let me exit. Exited. So let me enter first. Okay, I entered. You can see we are a 6 hour loss. Okay, below I'll place my trial SL, sorry, high SL. Then I'll give you analysis behind the trade why we enter this particular trade. You can say I just updated my SL. You can see market fall continually and took the support and try to bullish again. Fake breakout fall and expect this trend line gonna break out and continue fall, but exactly trend will take support and try to continue bullish. So that's why we enter on trade, and you can see market try to creating a head and shoulder pattern. Let me show you once again. Okay, you can see it tried to creating a head and shoulder and W pattern. I tried to break the neck. That's why we enter. and you can see it forming a trend line. Once the candle break trend line, we can expect a good rally outside. Above you can see this purple zone as a gap previously, so market always try to fill the gap, so we can expect target of this gap as the first target, and above purple as a consider second target. So let's wait for candle close. Okay, our trade got started. That's why you can see it has to be continue bullish at this moment. In case it get a fall, it might be to take some support point 200 EMA. That's why I updated our trial SL. Okay, you can see it tried to fall too close to trigger our trial SL. Okay, our trial SL got triggered, and you can see this is the entry and exit point. So let me show the final position. Okay, so okay, let me enter first. So I just enter. As a previously, it might be chance for bullishness. So after our trial SL got triggered, then we'll re-enter the same trade once again. You can see it again creating a higher high formation swing, so that's why we enter. After breaking the neck, below I'll place my SR. Now you can see it try to bullish same as previously said. Nifty also following same rule. Previously same place is market open gap up and try to continue bullish and created a consolidation. Then again try to bullish and created a second new all-time high. So market open continue fall. Same place it again taking support of multiple big created. So it again creating a head and shoulder pattern. So once already breaking the neck, once the candle close above, we can expect a good target upside, and above 200 EM as work as our first target. So let me place. Okay, you can say try to head and shoulder and breaking neck. That's why we enter. Once the candle close above, we're gonna update our trial SL also. Okay, you can see the trade got started. So as previously, we're gonna update our trial SL below. Whenever market try to give you confirm, just update your trial SL. Try to cut your losses, but hold your winning trade. So that's why I'm updating my trial SL. Chalo, let's wait for candle close. This 200 EMA going to be our first target in option chart. Okay, you can see it's already getting a good 1:2 plus profit. Still I'm not booking. I'm expecting it's going to break this 200 EMA, and this 200 EMA is target. Once get a hit, we're gonna update our trial SL. Let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see it just created good bullish green candle, but again it tried to fall. It might be chance triggered also. Okay, as I said, our trial is got triggered. You can see from the morning it tried to create a fake breakout board set. Okay, you can see this is the final PNL. So we're back to break even. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, just enter. It might be this one on my last trade, and you can see we're back to green. Okay, let me give analysis behind it. Just market open, try to gap up and continuous fall. Here you can see it creating a good trap. Why? Just 1 second. Okay, you can see try to fall again to summer again I will bullish again fall. Right now you can creating a bearish angle thing, the breaking the previous candle low. Once you break, we can expect this to 400 EM as target. Then this going to our first target. Then we can expect a consolidation also. If the candle close above, you can see the trade got started. Below I'm gonna update my SL. I try to hold as tight as possible as a SL. Reason you can see market open, try to fall, again create a consolidation, again expected a bullish, try to bullish, again it fall. So it try to triggering SL both maybe reason yesterday is the all-time high, so we can expect some consolidation or range bound market for the past next 2 days. Then we can expect a once a rally anytime. So let's wait for candle close. If the candle close below 400 EMA, we can expect a good target downside. So in case it might be chance for support taking also in from the 200 EMA. And so let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see I just updated my trailer sub. Reason, in high chance it might be taking some support from this 400 MA and day low also in spot chart. That's why I'm updating. So it has to break. In case it's not gonna break, it might be take some concern. Then we can expect a break it also. But I don't want to continue trade. That's why. Okay, I can say our traders got triggered and we're back to green. So I don't want to trade much. So this one our last trade. Final position. Okay, we're back to break even and mid rates. I know, small profit, it's okay. But we are not in loss. It's good. We are starting even 6th on last two. Back to nearly 1,000 rupees profits. So I don't want to trade much because market tried to 2 volt that it might be chance hit both side SL. So this is going to be my last trade. Chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.